I'm Dr. Ramesh B.V. Nimagada, Director of Medical Oncology at Apollo Cancer Hospital, Chennai, and I'm also the Managing Trustee of Ramesh Nimagada Cancer Foundation. Actually, I was practiced in Canada for about 13 years, trained and practiced, and came to India in 1985 and joined Apollo Hospitals. And in 1993, we first started the first cancer hospital in Apollo chain at Chennai. And since then, as I started seeing more and more patients, I realized that our patients are not the same, either in the disease behavior or the treatment, either tolerance or the outcomes. So with that, I felt that we need to collect some data from all these patients to see what really is happening with our patients with the Western literature, which is what we follow. And the literature is generated from the research done on Caucasian white population mostly, and so that we need to collect the data. And that has really prompted me to start developing the software. And with that, I have collected my own data from breast cancer patients from 1999 to 2008. And during the period, we found that we do need to modify either schedules or doses at different times for many patients. And at the end, we looked at the outcomes of them, and they look fairly good and comparable to anywhere in the world. So I believe we do need to collect data at a wider scale. And with that intention, we have started I have developed a bigger software which can be put in LAN systems of the institutions and can be available for any workstation in that hospital. And this is called OncoCollect, and this is given free to any of the hospitals or institutions who want to collect data. And hopefully we will get enough data over a long period of time. For this, we created the Ramesh Nimagada Cancer Foundation, a trust which owns this software so that we can give it free to the people. So far, we were able to show that the software is can be utilized by people, and it is already installed in many hospitals in the country, major hospitals, including Tata Memorial Hospital in Mumbai, Kidwai Hospital in Bangalore, Tata Medical Center in Calcutta, Saroj Gupta Hospital in Calcutta, Mahavir Cancer Hospital in Patna, Indo-American Cancer Hospital in Hyderabad, and Apollo Cancer Hospital in Chennai, and GKNM Hospital in Coimbatore, and Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Hospital in Delhi. This will not impacted as such right now because it is just started in the last 6 months. But we will expect that in the next 3 to 4 years to come, we will have enough data from all these institutions where we can see what are the modifications and what the outcomes have been with that modifications. And with that, we can certainly tailor the treatment for various populations in our country and also at various locations in the country, because it is not the same across the country, from various both economic as well as the ethnic differences we have across the country. So that I think will be useful, and I am very hopeful that will help us. Apart from that, I am very confident in fact that some of these treatments, what we are going to show that the differences that may be applied to many other countries in the world, especially low-income countries, and the non-Caucasian population. And I think this is going to be useful in general. Usually it will take about 2 to 3 years at least for some cancers. For some cancers you need up to 5 years plus. So it is a long-term plan, but it is a beginning, good beginning, I believe, that all these big institutions have accepted to use this. And I think in time we will get enough good data that's going to be useful not only for us, as I said, but it will also help others to realize in other countries that they also need to do their own local collections. Challenges, it is a tough thing because cancer is not one disease, and it is many diseases in that pattern. So we have to look at it, and also we have to see that the time taken for the doctors or the data entry people is not a lot, otherwise the whole program falls apart. So it has to be feasible to enter the data within the time constraints that the physicians have in this country, and that way I think it has been successful. We were able to do that. This is any hospital where oncology or cancer patients are treated. So basically this software is only for cancer patients.
More on cancer patients.
Only for cancer actually. And of course the other specialties in our country, I believe, also need to collect data, but that's a different thing. But in oncology it is much more acute because the treatment itself can be quite risky, because unfortunately we have to treat to kill cells. And when you are talking about that kind of treatment, naturally the tolerance and all has to be taken into consideration. But at the same time, if we don't treat, of course the outcome is very bad. So we have to accept certain toxicities. So for this we have to really follow a very narrow path, and that narrow path means the leeway is less, the range is less. So we have to tailor to each population and each circumstances where you are going to treat. I think there are two things. In fact, as we are going through this ACOS conference here, as you can see, that there is one major thing. I've been in oncology for the last 40 years, and the major change I see at present is the immunotherapy that's coming. So I think there is a real hope in the future, but it's going to take some time. But there is a new path is being created for the treatment in cancer. That is one part. And the second part, we are at the right time starting to collect data, and hopefully the future will be that we can tailor treatment for our patients depending on their so many factors that we have in our country. And at the same time, I also believe, in our country, we should, every sphere, not just medicine, we should be looking at our own way of creating our own, what I would say is plans. We cannot just take something which works in 100, 200 million people population of countries and try to plug it in here. We have to look at our own place. And in medicine, it's much more important because we are ethnically different. So there is genetic differences, and so the disease pattern is different, tolerance of drugs different, and the effectiveness of drugs is different. So all these have to be taken care of. So the data collection is important, and at least the oncology community, I can say for sure, realizes that now, and they are all geared up for it.